Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. I am on a trip going over to visit a friend back in my own home state, and I'm bringing a gift. Some of you that watch the channel enough might know what I might be going to snag. So I'm at a nursery, one of the few nurseries in North Idaho that actually carries the product I'm looking for. So let's go find a Firefly Petunia so I can give it as a gift. All right, come on with me. Not in here. Some containers. Oh, this is Nicotiana, in case you didn't know. So, Nicotiana. So if you see that picture on Light Bio's website, where they show that photo that doesn't look like a petunia, it's actually this. It's Nicotiana. It's flowering tobacco. And of course, if you see the blossom looks like a petunia, it's because they're related. They're both in the nightshade family. Seeing them. Lots of petunias, but not what I'm looking for. And there's the speckled ones again. That one's pretty neat. I like that one. I don't see a firefly. Let's go in. I think we're going to have to go in and ask and see if they've got them inside. So we'll look around a little bit more. Hi. You guys still have Firefly Petunias?
No, we are out at the moment.
You're out?
Yeah, they're supposed to be coming some more, but I'm not sure. I can't remember the date.
Tuesday or Wednesday? Okay. Alright, looks like we struck out. So they are out of Firefly Petunia. Oh, there we go. Better shot. So it looks like we struck out. They're out of Firefly Petunias. So I'm going to have to find one somewhere else. So we'll figure out where that is. But it's not here. So good for them, they sold out. Bad for me, because I was looking for it as a gift. But anyway, such is the hunt. Anyway, off to Oregon we go. I'll find a Firefly Petunia over there. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.